Yo, dude, what are you watching? It's nothing in there.
Look, there is. Whoa.
Mommy, what's Rainforest Foundation?
Son, as much as I can remember, it is a foundation or a charity organization that helps indigenous people and rainforests in Brazil, Guyana, Panama, and Peru. In short, it is a good and helpful organization not only for the indigenous people but also to us who benefit because they are one of the saviors of our Mother Nature.
Well, thank you, Mommy. I learned a lot. Now I know what is Rainforest Foundation.
No worries, baby.